managing toxic employees?
ChatGPT and AI can simplify your small business and save you lots of time. If you know how to use AI for your small business, learn how to automate emails, create pie charts for your reports using ChatGPT, screen resumes and filter out resumes that are not a fit for the position that you're hiring, creating smashing social media posts at a fraction of the time using AI, produce outstanding website content. You're not a writer? Not to worry. ChatGPT and AI tools can produce outstanding content for your newsletter, for your emails, for your proposals, sales forecasting, sales analysis, accounting, and much more. Cut back costs on hiring costs with ChatGPT and AI, but you must know how to integrate AI tools into your small business, isn't it? And that's what this class is about, taught in a very simple, easy to understand way. It's not only the technical sides and the marketing and sales sides of running a business that ChatGPT and AI can help you with. ChatGPT and AI can also help you minimize or have to deal less with some of the toxicity and the personality conflict, some of the undercurrents of anger and that difficult coworker that you cannot stand. Well, ChatGPT can help you out with that too. How? By doing some of the tasks that person has to be doing. Now you can allocate those tasks to ChatGPT and AI, and guess what? ChatGPT is not toxic. So you might also have to deal less with some of the workplace toxicity, with some of the narcissistic behavior, some of the controlling, some of the bullying. All that you might be able to take a step back and not be caught right in the heart of it if you know how to use ChatGPT and AI for some of those tasks. This and much more in this class. Thank you.